Let's go, everyone. This is whitening strips from up&up, which is Target's brand name. So it's comparable apparently to Crest 3D White Strips Classic White, and 10 treatments, so 20 strips total for top and bottom. Let me show you what this package looks like. Your smile. Ooh, expiration date. All right, 2023. Let's do this. See how it looks like. Oh. All right. So, I don't know why they need so much packaging for something that takes up so little space. I guess it attracts your eye though, but similar to Crest White Strips, it only takes up this little space but needs the whole packaging to have all the info on it. So that's what that looks like. Ooh, welcome to Whiter Smile. Let's go. Follow these steps for your whiter smile. Back to sensitivity. All right, there you have it. Ooh, dental whitening treatment. So, excuse me. Let me show you what these look like. Dental whitening treatment contains one upper and one lower. Let's see. For 30 minutes. All right, so I'm going to open one to show you all what this looks like, and I will use one later tonight just to see how it looks compared to Crest White Strips. So, excuse me, a little sniffly still. Looks and feels the same. I think I won't know until I try it on, but yeah. There you have it, unboxing the up&up Timeless White Whitening Strip. So comparable to Crest 3D White Strips Classic White, but up&up Target's brand. So yeah, I'll try it out, let you know how it goes. Thanks everyone, please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you next time. Bye.